Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on when you're watching this video. I hope you all are doing well and I hope your day is going very well. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying out, okay? If you look at the back here, you will see that we have a new addition to our kitchen. So since you have clicked on this video to watch, please make sure you watch to the end, okay? Now, before we dive in, before I show you guys what we have at the back there, I want to tell you guys a little backstory and then we'll continue from there. Okay guys, so I'm sure a lot of you saw the video I posted about my new air fryer. Yes, the company actually reached out to me. They gave me one of their air fryers to review for them and to share with you guys, and then I reviewed the first one, and when their second one came out, they reached out to me again and gave me the second one to review for them. Now, before they reached out to me, I also told you guys in that video that I was actually looking into buying a new air fryer. I have an oven here, quite all right, but you know, the oven takes longer time to cook or to grill meat, so I needed something that can do the job for me very fast without too much stress, right? But why I didn't go ahead to buy that air fryer was because I don't have enough kitchen counter, and I still don't as I'm speaking to you right now. But when they reached out to me, I was like, I must create a space for it, because I didn't want to buy it with my money and then I'll start looking for where to put it in my kitchen. But because the company reached out to me, I was like, okay, the only sacrifice I'm going to make here is to create a space for it, which I did. It's currently sitting somewhere there. I'm sure a lot of you guys see it in my videos. When I'm in the kitchen here, you see it in the background, right? Okay, that was how I got to have an air fryer in my kitchen, which makes life so much easier for me. Now, some time ago, I was also looking into buying a tabletop cooker because of my cooking videos, right? I have a stove here, I have a gas cooker here, which does the job perfectly well for me. But I wanted to buy this tabletop cooker, and then I was like, the other mind was asking me, are you really sure you need this, or you just want it? And I'm like, I don't really need it, but I want it. I still want it for my cooking videos. And so I had to let it go. I was like, when the right time comes, I will know and I will definitely get it. Not until last 2 weeks, this company reached out to me again. Like, how do these companies be reading my mind? Like, it's so amazing. This amazes me. They reached out to me and they were like, they would want me to, you know, advertise their product in my video. The email came with a picture. I looked at the picture. I was like, is this not what I was planning to get? What is this? Guys, I was so excited reading the email. So guys, this is a tabletop cooker, very portable, very handy. I've not used it, as you can see, I've not even unboxed it, but I've read about it. So let's go ahead and open it up, try it out and see how it works. I might probably be cooking something here, something very light, right? So that we can see how it works. Okay, come on, let's unbox it together. I'm super duper excited, guys. You don't even know. You do not have an idea. Ooh. It's in another box. Yeah. As always, here is the manual. First of all, this product is 2-year warranty, okay, and like I mentioned before, it is quite portable and handy as well. Now it is both embedded and bench top, like you can keep it on a countertop like this, or you can fix it in your kitchen counter, just like some other kitchens have all these type of induction cooker, just like this one here. You can see this one right here. This one is more like a stove. So what I'm trying to say is that you can fix it in your kitchen permanently, or you can use it as it is. Now this is what I'm talking about. You can place this in your kitchen countertop, you see that, and it will sit right there permanently, no need of moving it around. A word on induction cooking side. Induction cooking is a safe, advanced, efficient and economical cooking technology. It works by electromagnetic vibrations, generating heat directly in the pan rather than indirectly through heating the glass surface. The glass becomes hot only because the pan eventually warms it up. So in essence, you need an induction pot to cook on this induction cooker, right? So get that in your mind. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it. And by the way, guys, the name of the product is AMZCHEF. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but that's the name over there. One thing I want to mention again is this is written in, I think, in Dutch language or French language, I don't even know, but it also has a place where they wrote everything down in English language. So please make sure you read the instructions very well before you start using this induction cooker, okay? Very important. I've read these, and then you can read other stuff here as well. Now, to be sure that you are using an induction pot, you use a magnet. Once you place a magnet at the bottom of the pot and it sticks, then you know that it's an induction pot. There's a fan at the bottom here. You can see the fan. So you need to put the legs to kind of elevate it. If not, the thing was just sitting directly on the countertop, which is not appropriate. So this is how to do it. Put this one, put the other side. It's kind of weird though, but it's still workable. So this is it. Now you can see I can place my hand under, but before it was sitting directly on this, which is not nice. Now here are the key points. This is the power button. These are the indicators. This is the key lock. This is very handy and very nice, especially if you have kids around. You can lock it down and they cannot have access to this until it's unlocked. Now these two here are the heating zone selection control. This is the timer if you want to set timer, and then this one is the flex zone control. All right, let's start cooking, guys. So I'm going to turn it on now, then place my pot on one side of the cooking zone. It has two sides. You can put two small pots comfortably here. So I'm going to be using one side of the cooking zone. And once I place the pot, I'll select the heating zone, which is this one. If I'm cooking here, I would select this one right here. I hope you guys can see it. Now this is the heating level selection zone. You can turn it clockwise to increase the heating system, and you can turn it anti-clockwise to decrease. Okay, so if you leave this without operating it for like 30 seconds, everything goes off just like it has done already. So to bring it back, I'm going to press the on and off button again. Just touch it and it will turn on. Then I'll select the heating zone. Can you hear the sound now? So the flame or the heating system is coming on. Guys, this thing doesn't even make so much noise. Like, I thought it was going to be making a lot of noise like air fryers do, right? But this one, the sound is very cool and calm. As you can hear, obviously I'm using a mic, so the mic will collect all the sound. Now listen. Did you hear that? Okay, another thing I want to mention is that when putting on the pot or when placing the pot on the cooking zone, you have to gently put it down, and if you want to carry the pot, you have to lift it up. Okay, you have to lift it up. Do not slide to avoid scratching the surface. And now you can see this thing has a glassy kind of finished look, which is very nice, very easy to clean and wipe once you are done cooking. Just take a damp towel and wipe it off. And while this is cooking, do not place your hand on the surface. Once you are done cooking, lift your pot, take it down, click the off button, this one right here, and then leave this for some time before you unplug it from the socket. I was trying to use the wheel, but it wasn't responding, but now I know how to do it. As you can see, you can see it right now that it's at P8, but it was at P5 before, and that is to say it's at the highest level. 9 is the highest level. So you can see right now that the water has started boiling. Now to reduce it, you have to put your finger in the middle here, then go backwards, like counterclockwise, and when you are doing it, the thing will be beeping. So let's do it now. Are you hearing it? You see the water has reduced. The boiling has reduced. You saw that, right? So you don't need to apply any pressure, just slightly rotate it and it will be going. Now let's turn it on again. Now it's at P9. Can you see that? You see, immediately the water will start boiling, like immediately. When you go down again, the water stops boiling. Very nice. Wow. Wow. Guys, let's boil some white rice in this and see what happens. I hope this thing doesn't boil over. Okay, to avoid boiling over, let me reduce the heat. Now it's at P7, which I think is okay. See guys, it's not even as warm or as hot as I thought, but still do not let your hands touch this, okay? It's warm but not hot, okay? So I just finished rinsing my rice now. I'm going to place it back and continue cooking. I noticed that when you take out the pot, this starts showing hash sign. So I don't know what to do now. Should I? Okay, I need to click on this or what? I think I should click on the the on and off button. Click on the heating system again, or the heating button again. Then it starts cooking. I don't need timer this time around. I don't need the timer, so I'm going to turn it up to P9, and once the rice starts boiling, I'll turn it back down to probably 7 or 6 so that it doesn't boil over. Okay guys, so as you can see, my rice is still on fire, but I want to end this video here. See guys, December is by the corner, and we all know what comes with December period, right? A lot of cooking, a lot of merriment, so go and grab one of these. I'll put the link in the description box below. I'll also pin the link in the comment section. Click the link, and once you click on the link, it will take you straight to Amazon, where you will get this product. It is very, 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 very good. Like, this is a very good kitchen equipment that every mother or every woman, even men, not only women, okay, should have in their kitchen. This is so amazing. Although I'm still getting to, get used to it. I'm still going to show you the outcome of the rice. I just want to end this video now because my kids will soon be here. So guys, remember, I'll be leaving the link to this product in the description box below, and I will also pin it in the comment section. So click on the link, either the one in the description box or the one in the comment section, and it will take you straight to Amazon, where you will get this product. Now back to our rice guys. I'm trying to check on it, and you can see our rice is completely done. Oh my goodness guys, this is a huge thumbs up from me. It's a yes from me. Guys, you need to go and grab one of these from Amazon. So I'm going to turn off the machine, then wipe it off with a damp towel. It is very super easy to wipe off. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.